guys! Unbox with me my new Dyson Coanda Airwrap 2 times. So, I got this guys through my friend from South Korea since hindi pa to available in the Philippines and kaka-launch niya lang sa South Korea. Ayun, naghanap ako ng kakilala ko and nagpasabay ako sa kanya. And also, I bought this last August for my 32nd birthday. So, this is my birthday gift for myself. Ayan, so, ayun. Let's see what's inside this. Nakaka-excite. Bigat niya. So, the Coanda 2 times is available in 2 colors. Meron siyang pink and meron din siyang Jasper Plum, if I'm not mistaken. Pinili ko yung plum as a BTS fan.
Some of the old songs.
Ang bango. Ang hirap pala mag-unboxing. Anyway. Ayan.
For time's sake.
Oh my gosh. So, ang pinalagay ko dito sa free engrave is yung initials ko, which is JGM.
As time goes by.
This is where you will connect the different barrels.
It's been a long time.
And in Jasper Plum. Ito yung pang wavy niya. This one naman is yung pang straight ng hair. This one is the blower.
Some of the old songs.
Hindi pa alam. Ayun. Ayan. Oh my God, ang ganda niya. Ayan, ito yung pang smooth naman ng hair. For the curling barrel, meron siyang dalawang tools. Ah! Ang ganda. Can't wait to try this. Since meron na akong baby, masingit ko pa talaga yung mom life. So, madalian talaga yung pag-aayos. And I really need to fix my hair ng mabilisan. Minsan sa car na ako nagbe-makeup, I just fix my hair dito sa bahay para mabilis lang yung pag-aayos ko. So, ayun, kaya binili ko siya para mas efficient. So, that's it guys. Excited na akong matry itong Dyson for my hair. Thank you for watching this unboxing video with me. Bye-bye!